So I got bored from making short video for my YouTube channel. So I thought of making something new and something different which I have never tried, like cooking. So what I took, I just boiled few potatoes in the cooker, then I chopped onions and ginger, and then after boiling it up, I just took out the potatoes from the cooker and just started to peel off. You can also first peel it off, then you can boil it, so it will become easier. But if you wanna just peel it afterwards, you can do either way. It's your wish. You can also put a pinch of salt while boiling the potato so that it can get peeled off easily. After peeling off, I just mash the potato so that it become easy to mix it up. Then I added onions and then ginger to it so that it can be good for taste. And then a little bit chili powder. After mixing up it well, then I took flour, which is called atta, and then then 1 tablespoon of oil and salt. Then mixing it up and adding water at frequent times so that it become little bit fluid. After that, I took a pan and then pour, pour some oil in it. After pouring some oil in it, I did nothing, just poured the liquid which I made in the pan. But I was unprofessional in it, so I was not able to flip it. So what I thought of just switching it from pan to tawa. I don't know what it is called in English. I think tawa is only called. But I took the tawa, then I poured some oil in it, and then start to cook. And I was after 4 to 5 attempts, I was able to flip it nicely, and then it was really healthy. But one thing you make sure of it, if you are in hurry and if you want to make some breakfast quickly, then you should not watch this. Seriously, you should not watch it. But if you have time and if you want to enjoy something different, you can, for sure. So thank you, and this was Nikhil Upadhyay.